Gentlemen, in this problem, a car is moving at 40 km per hour is to be stopped by applying the brakes in next 4 meters. That means a lot of information is given in this line. The car is moving 40 km per hour means the initial velocity of the car is 40 km per hour. Am I right? You have to change it into meter per second. You know how to change. Just multiply by a factor of 5 upon 18. You know why this factor is multiplied. Kilometer must be changed in meter, multiply by 1000, and hours must be in second. That means 60 into 60 yani 3600. When you sort out them, you will get a factor of 5 upon 18. Now you can multiply is 200 upon 18, and you can again sort it out, divided by 200 upon 9 meter per second. Car is stopped, that is final velocity is 0. In such, car is moving 4 km in this process. Now come to the next line. If the car weighing is 2000 kg, that means mass of the car is 2000 kg. What average force must be applied, and you have to calculate the force which is given by mass into acceleration. Here mass is given and this information is given also. If you are able to find out the acceleration with the help of these three information, initial, final and distance covered by the car, you can put the acceleration, that is in form of retardation. Here you will get the average retardation force to stop this car. You can find out the acceleration very simple by applying this equation of motion. Final velocity is equal to square of itna sorry, final velocity is 0. Initially you have simplify 40 km per hour into meter per second. Again you are applying a positive sign, so you will get a negative sign here. Minus 2, when you substitute this value here into A, and distance covered by the car is 4 meter. Now open this bracket. Am I right? Now again simplify it. 50, am I right? 25, am I right? A is equal to, now bring this sign here, 1250 upon 81. That is the value of retardation when you apply a force on a car of mass 2000 kg running with 40 km per hour and you want to stop in the 4 meter. Now substitute this value here. I am not using the negative sign because it no, the acceleration is working opposite, brake is applied, stopping, force is applying on the car opposite to the direction of motion. Again you substitute this value. Now you multiply 125 by 2, yani 250, 81, and how many 0 you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 raised power. When you divide it, you will get 3.0 something, and you can do 3.1 into 10 raised power 4. Obviously, unit is Newton. That means the car is moving with 40 km per hour and you want to stop in the 4 meter and the mass of the car is 2000 kg, then you have to apply the force of 3.1 into 10 raised power 4 Newton opposite to the direction of motion, isn't it?